Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all will be fine and safe at your home. Children, in previous video, I had started a new chapter, that is recording of transaction first. Children, in that video, I had explained some basic concept like business transactions, source of documents, vouchers, its types like credit voucher, debit voucher, and complex voucher. Also, in that video, I had explained accounting equation with all the theories and numerical questions. So, today I will explain a new topic, that is rules of debit and credit. So, children, this concept is very important. So let's start. So children, according to rules of debit and credit, it has divided in two types. So first of all, I want to explain the meaning of rules and credit. Rules of debit and credit. All accounts are divided into two sides. The left side of an account is called debit side and the right side of an account is called credit side. In short form, debit is written as DR and credit is written as CR. So now I will explain the rules of debit and credit. It also has divided in two types. First, modern approach and second is traditional approach. Modern approach also has divided in five categories. First, assets, liabilities, capital, revenue or gains, expenses or losses. Traditional approach also has divided in three types. First, real account, second, personal account, and third is nominal account. So children, according to real account, in those accounts we cannot change according to us, that is called the real account. These are the example like cash book, in and out. Always you will be right those amount which you have used. You cannot be changed according to you in that particular account. Purchase book, sales book, and bank account, these are the example of real account. Second, personal account. Personal account means like Mohan account, Rohan account, Mahesh account, Ramesh account. These are the example of personal account. Third is nominal account. Nominal means changes. In those accounts we can be changed according to us, that is called the nominal account. And the example expenses, losses, revenue or gain. But because always these transactions will be changed, so these are the included in nominal account. So, children, according to the NCERT book, Rules of Debit and Credit, all accounts are divided into five categories for the purpose of recording transactions: assets, liabilities, capital, expenses, losses, and revenue and gains. So, these category we will use in modern approach. Two fundamental rules are followed to record the changes in these accounting. First, for recording changes in assets, expenses called losses. Increase in asset is debited and decrease in asset is credited. Increase in expenses losses is debited and decrease in expenses losses will be used in credit. Second, for recording changes in liabilities and capital slash revenue called gain. Increase in liabilities is credited. If liability will be decreased, it will be used in debited. If capital will be increased, it will be used in credit. If capital will be decreased, it will use in debit. Increase in revenue gain will be used in credit side and decrease in income revenue will be used in debit side. Also, I have explained these concepts with the example. The rules applicable to the different kinds of account have been summarized in the following chart. Children, like this: rules of debit and credit. So according to modern approach, we have divided to accounts in five categories like first, assets, liabilities, capital, income, losses, and revenue or gains. So according this chart we will rules the follows of debit and credit. Assets increase will be used in debit side. If the asset decrease, that is use will be in credit side. If capital will be decreased, that time we will use in debit side. if our capital increase, that time we will use the amount in credit side. Income, revenue and gains, debit. If the revenue or income decrease, that time this amount will be used in debit side. If our income if our income revenue will be increased, that is used in credit side. Liabilities, debit will be decreased and credit will be increased. Expenses, losses increase in debit side and decrease in credit side. So children, the transaction in example first on the page 46 will help you to learn how to apply these debit and credit rules. Observe the analyzed table given on page 48. So first we will read which example we have already explained. For example, Rohit started business with capital of rupees 5 lakh. From the accounting point of view, the resources of this business entity is in the form of cash 5 lakh rupees. Source of this income business entity is the contribution by Rohit, proprietor, 5 lakh as capital. So children, in this example, Rohit started a business with capital investment of rupees 5 lakh. So according this, Rohit start a business. In that business, he has invested 5 lakh rupees, which now will be called as capital 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so now in these, now we will help to take how we will apply rules of debit and credit in these examples. Like the transaction in example first on page 46 will help. Okay, so first Rohit started business with cash rupees 5 lakh. So we have read this example. Rohit started a business and in this business he invests 5 lakh rupees as capital. So Rohit start business with cash 5 lakh rupees. Analyze the transaction increases cash on one hand and increase capital on the other hand. Increase in asset are debited and increase in capital are credited. So according this, asset one side asset will be increased and second side liability will be decreased. Suppose in this example you have invest the money in the business, so that time your assets will be increased and now these assets, these cash amount will be converted. This is called the capital. So now your capital also will be increased. So increase in asset are debited and increase in capital are credited. Therefore, record the transaction with debit to cash and credit to Rohit a capital. Now we will prepare two types of account. First cash account and second will be capital account. So children, according to cash account, we have 5 lakh rupees. Now we are starting a business. Rohit start a business. That time his cash amount will be used in the business as a capital. So 5 lakh rupees will be less in his cash account. Next transaction is open a bank account with an amount of rupees 4,80,000. Analysis of transaction. The transaction increase the cash at bank on one hand and decrease cash in hand on the other hand. So children, in this example, open a bank account. Suppose I have opened a bank account and I will give 4,80,000 to the bank. So now this time cash will be cash will be decreased and bank will be increased. So cash will be decreased and bank account will be increased. The transaction increase the cash at bank. So cash amount will be increased in the bank account and less amount will be in our cash in hand on one hand and decrease cash in hand on the other hand. Increase in asset are debited and a decrease in asset are credited. So now here one asset will be increased and second asset will be decreased. Cash account, open a bank account. We are opening a bank account. So now we will give 4,80,000 to the bank. Cash account, first we have 5 lakh rupees as a cash. This time it will be used in debit side. Now in 5 lakh rupees we are paying 4,80,000 to the bank. So now this time bank will be debit or bank asset will be increased, our asset will be decreased. Okay. Next, bought furniture for rupees 60,000 and issue check for the same. Now in this example, we have purchasing 60,000 rupees as furniture and in against we are paying a check. Analyze of transaction. This transaction increase furniture on one hand and decrease bank on the other hand by rupees 60,000. So children bought furniture for rupees 60,000 and issue check for the same. In this example, we are purchasing 60,000 rupees for furniture and we are paying a check. So furniture will be plus and bank account will be less. Okay. So bank account amount will be, so furniture will be plus and our bank account will be less. Sorry, plus. Bought plant and machinery from Ramji Lal for the business for rupees 1,25,000 and an advance of rupees 10,000 in cash is given. In this example, bought plant and machinery. We are purchasing plant and machinery for rupees 1,25,000 from Ramji Lal and we are paying 10,000 rupees in advance as a cash. So now we are preparing according to rules of debit and credit. So children, in this example, we are purchasing plant and machinery. So our plant and machinery will be debit and Ramji Lal account due amount will be create 1,15,000 and Ramji Lal account this amount will be used in credit side. We are purchasing plant and machinery, so we will use in debit side and Ramji Lal amount has due in us to us, so it will be used in credit side. Goods purchased from Sumit Traders for rupees 55,000. Goods purchased. Now in this example, goods purchased from Sumit Traders for rupees 55,000. So according this, we are not paying any amount at the time purchasing of goods. Analyze of transaction. This transaction increases purchase, increases liability. So both the transaction will be increased. First hand we are purchasing goods, so our goods will be increased. Also we are purchasing goods in liability, so our liability also will be increased. Okay, so purchase account we are purchasing 55,000 for goods and Sumit Traders account, in Sumit Trader account the liability will be increased 55,000 rupees for our. So children, these are the example which I have explained according to use rules of debit and credit. I hope these concepts will be clear. So children, now I am explaining a more numerical question related to accounting equation. Okay, so our question is, first transaction is Mukesh started business with cash. So our first transaction is Mukesh started a business with cash. How we will prepare accounting equation? First we will write serial number. This is the formatting. Second column will use as a transactions. Third, which transactions we will use like cash. First, these will be assets. According to under the assets, we will use are the assets like cash plus furniture plus stock plus debtor. These item will be asset. Next column will be used equals to liabilities plus capital. Okay, so our formatting is serial number, transaction, third is asset. Under the head, these transaction will be used under the head of assets and this is the symbol of equal, so our assets will be equal to the liabilities plus capital. So we are doing the equation according this format, liabilities and plus capital. So first transaction is Mukesh started a business with cash. So first transaction, Mukesh started a business. Cash amount he used, so 80,000 rupees. Mukesh used as a cash and he is invested in the business. So liability will be 0 and capital, this cash will be converted in the capital. So now we will be carry forward this amount 80,000. We are not for purchasing furniture, stock is 0, debtor is 0, liability also 0. So 80,000 capital is. Now second transaction is purchase goods for cash. So children, now in this transaction we are purchasing goods. Purchase goods for cash. So now we are purchasing goods for rupees 28,000. So our cash will be less. 28,000 we are using in a payment, so it will be less. Now the cash remain amount will be 52,000 plus we are purchasing goods, so asset will be used goods plus furniture 0, stock 0. Okay, we can also mention in the stock also. So we are purchasing 28,000 goods, so 28,000 goods will be added plus debtor is 0 and liability is 0 is equals to 58. Now we will be carry forward the balance amount plus 28,000 plus 0. So now it will be total 80,000. Okay, 80,000. Next, third transaction is purchase goods on credit. Purchase goods on credit. So children, in this example we are purchasing goods on credit and the amount is 20,000. So our cash balance amount is 52,000. Our stock amount is 28,000 plus stock is 0. Sorry, furniture is 0 plus debtor amount is 0. Liability, because in this example we are purchasing the goods on credit, so now the liability will be create for rupees 20,000 plus 80,000. We are purchasing the goods, so goods will be added also in stock. So now the balance amount will be 52,000 in cash plus 48,000 stock we have plus 0 and the 20,000 liability and 80,000 capital invested in the business. सो चिल्ड्रन, अगर यहाँ पर आप ध्यान से देखेंगे तो दोनों साइड हमारी क्या चल रही है, इक्वल, और यही प्रोसीजर हमें फॉलो करते हुए चलना है. नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन इज एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4, परचेज फर्नीचर फॉर कैश. परचेज फर्नीचर for cash. So children, in this example we are purchasing furniture and we are paying the amount in cash. So our cash balance amount is 52,000 plus 48,000 is a stock plus we are purchasing furniture. So we are purchasing furniture, this is asset also. We are purchasing asset furniture for rupees 6,000. It will be add and we are using cash, so our cash will be less in the cash account. Now the cash will be remain 46,000 plus 48,000 stock we have plus 6,000 stock is equals to 20,000 liability due which we will pay in future plus 80,000 capital investment. Next transaction is paid rent rupees 2,000. So children, when the word will be used paid, so it means we are using cash amount in our business transaction. So paid rent rupees 2,000, it means we are using our cash for payment. So now we will less 2,000 rupees in our cash. Now the balance cash amount is 44,000 plus 48,000 stock we have plus 6,000 debtor. Next furniture, sorry, is equals to 20,000 liability due on us plus 2,000 we are paying rent, so 2,000 will be less in the capital also. 78,000 capital will be remain. Next transaction is receive commission rupees 500. So children, we are receive 500 rupees as commission. It will be add in cash. Now total cash amount will be 44,500 plus 48,000 stock we have plus 6,000 furniture we have. Next is equals to 20,000 liability also due plus 500 rupees also will be add in capital account. So now the capital amount total is 78,500. So children, if you pay attention, in every transactions our assets should be equal to the liability plus capital. So children, this basic rule we will follow when we will prepare accounting equation. So children, I hope this question will be clear. So take care. Goodbye.